I was living in Cornwall at the time, and I'd just done sort of an evening course in Truro, and I was starting to think about doing a degree just to sort of push myself and see where things would lead if I really focused on photography. I looked at a few options. Like I looked at doing it at Truro, Falmouth, and then I went to Plymouth, and I thought the facilities particularly were amazing. Ironically, at the time, coming from Cornwall, Plymouth felt like quite a bigger city, so yeah, it just felt like there was more going on. I felt like if I stayed in Cornwall, I'd just continue shooting what I was already shooting. When I came to the college, I'd already been shooting a lot of sort of punk and hardcore shows around the southwest, and as I started studying, I really sort of focused a lot on that, and also brought in portrait elements to it. Some of those shots ended up winning some stuff in the Enemy Photography Awards that they used to do. From that, I met their photo editor at the awards evening, and she asked me if I'd be interested in potentially shooting some stuff with them, and I said yes please. I got the odd little job or so here, and then one day I remember getting an email asking what I was doing at the end of the week and if I wanted to go to South Africa for Bring Me the Horizon. Once that ball started rolling, I started getting offered various bits and pieces, and then one day in the summer break I got asked if I wanted to go to Europe with Biffy Clyro and shoot this on the road thing that was going to be the cover feature of their sort of run up to headlining Reading and Leeds. It was quite a significant one because up to that point I'd been working in the evenings, like while I was studying, to pay for that, and just managing to get the time off that I needed. But eventually that one was the one where we were like, oh, I can't give you the time off, I'm afraid. So I went back to my desk and wrote out my notice and handed it in, and haven't done an honest day's work since.